Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini. So first of all, what you have to do is download Google Gemini on your Android phone or iPhone. Once it's downloaded, you have to click on open. Now you will see this interface. Now they have different models. For example, right now I'm using 2.0 Flash. You can also switch to previous models as well. So from here, you can use it. If you have ever used ChatGPT, it's similar to ChatGPT or any other AI assistant. You can ask anything to the module. For instance, if I ask how many planets are there, if I hit enter, as you can see, it is telling me each and everything. You can also press this microphone button and ask any question, like how many days are there in 1 year?
65 days in a non-leap year and 366 days.
If you click on this top left corner, you will be able to see all of the chats between you and Gemini. And if you go back, you have your Google account settings, and you can select your Google account and go to settings, etc. And that's basically how you can use Google Gemini. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.